In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured image to your HubSpot website or blog in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make those pages pop with engaging visuals. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it, and then enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot account. After logging in, you will be brought to the HubSpot home. This is your main dashboard from where you have access to all your HubSpot tools and features. Navigating this page is key, as it serves as a gateway to modify and enhance your website's content. Now, with the HubSpot home open, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find the Content tab. Click on this tab and a drop down will appear. This is where you'll find different types of content options available to you. What we're interested in for this tutorial is website pages, so select that from the drop-down menu. Once you've clicked on website pages, you'll see a list of all the websites or blogs you have associated with your HubSpot account. From this list, choose the specific website or blog where you want to add a featured image. Selecting a website will open a new page devoted to editing and customizing it. On the editing page, find and click on the Settings tab. This tab is integral because it controls a multitude of options, including the one we are focusing on today. Within the settings, look for the featured image option, which may be part of a subsection or a clearly marked button. Now, let's go ahead and enable the featured image option. This often involves toggling a switch or checking a box, signaling that you intend to add a featured visual to your page. Once enabled, you will likely see an option to upload your desired image. Click on the Upload button, and you'll be prompted to choose an image from your computer. Select an image that is not only visually appealing but also representative of the content or message you wish to convey through the web page. Ensure the image meets any recommended size criteria to maintain resolution and aesthetics. Once you've selected the image, allow it to upload and take a moment to verify that it's properly displayed as your featured image. Double check that the image is correctly saved and appears as expected. And there you have it, your web page now has a striking featured image that enhances the overall user experience. That's all it takes to add a featured image to your HubSpot website or blog. With just a few simple clicks, you can effectively elevate the appearance and engagement of your web page. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to explore more HubSpot features to keep your content fresh and captivating.